Did you know kale pasta is healthy, delicious, and it can be done in less than 10 minutes? This is the recipe you want to learn. So we are making kale pasta. The first thing that we need is spinach. Sorry, kale. It's a bunch of fresh kale. You can use Tuscan kale. I like to wash them, okay? Then we have 300 grams of Fusilli pasta. You can use any short pasta that you like. You pick. I like the Fusilli, how they mix with the kale. About 30 pitted black olives, but you can use more or less. 2 garlic cloves, 1 per person. Some dry chili, 1 tablespoon of rock salt, extra virgin olive oil, and pepper. What do we do now? This is what we do. We clean the kale. So what we do is we break it with our hands and we remove the kale from the stem. We don't want to eat the stem, okay? See how much you can get out of a bunch. This is gonna be enough for 2, 3, maybe even 4 people. So basically the smaller you cut them, the easier they are to mix with your pasta. But to be honest, they will shrink a little bit when you cook them. First thing we do in this recipe is to add 1 tablespoon of rock salt into boiling water. And now we're gonna add the pasta and the kale together in boiling water. This fusilli takes 10 minutes to be ready, okay? So always follow the instruction on the packet. Boiling water, fusilli. Now we add the kale. And with a spoon, what you want to do, you want to stir so the pasta doesn't get stuck to the bottom. And here we go. Now cook it for about 10 minutes. And in the meantime, we are going to prepare the base for this pasta. Now let's make the base of this pasta. Here we're going to put 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to crush my 2 cloves of garlic. 1. And 2. Now what you quickly want to do, you want to add 1 tablespoon of pasta water in there, or any water. That will avoid for the garlic to burn. Now what we want to do, we get the beautiful pitted olives here and we crush them and put them in there. I like to crush them, and put them in there. I can actually use more if I want, you know, feel free to use more olives. Maybe I didn't use enough, use more. I'm going to put a little bit of chili now, maybe half of it now. And I keep the rest of the chili for after, to sprinkle on top of the kale. Make sure you cook this on a medium-low heat. We do not want to burn the garlic. And in a few minutes, we're gonna add the kale and pasta in this. Hey guys, as you can see, the ingredients have made love together. And this is ready now for the pasta and the kale. Come on. Okay, now we put the pasta and the kale in the saucepan. Don't worry if you get a little bit of pasta water. You do need the pasta water to combine all the ingredients. What we do is we get some pasta water and we add it in the pasta. Now we add about half mug of pasta water. We gently mix before we toss it. The final touch is the rest of the chili. You can also add pecorino cheese if you like, Parmigiano. I don't think it needs it, so let's put the chili. Put some pepper, and now we toss. And now it's time to plate it. Yum. And here it is. Who knew the kale can be so beautiful? It's not the prettiest vegetable, but look how pretty it looks now. For all the pecorino lovers out there, guys, I still love pecorino, okay? The reason why I'm not adding pecorino is because it's perfect the way it is. If you want pecorino, go for it. You want to crush some nuts, go for it. But this pasta, oh, It's beautiful, just perfect the way it is. Best time of the video recipe. Time to eat. Beautiful fusilli, kale, the olives, get everything, okay? Get everything. Pasta cooked to perfection. The kick of the olive is right there. The chili is all over my mouth. And the kale, very delicate, very, very delicate. Flavor, healthy, very, very, very nice pasta. And knowing that it's healthy, I can eat more. Yeah. This is a must try. I'm not a big fan of fusilli, but when I had fusilli with the right ingredient, I like it. I get the punch from the chili, the beautiful spicy. Oh, beautiful, I love it. I feel so much better already. Oh, yum, yum. So easy to eat. Guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Healthy and delicious.